That focus should be on young people, letting them play.
High school athletes may be getting the answers they've been waiting for from Governor Mike DeWine. He gave the go-ahead today for the fall season. There are, of course, stipulations, and the final decision has been left to individual districts. 5 on Your Side investigator Joe PAGONAKIS joins us now live. And Joe, the governor's new order goes into effect Friday.
Well, Mike, there are some details that still need to be worked out in the governor's plan, and health experts say that both parents and students need to keep certain things in mind before the school year starts.
Governor DeWine's order allowing fall sports comes without a specific mask requirement, leaving that up to school districts and coaches. The order limits spectators to just family and friends who must stay within their groups, stay socially distanced, and wear masks.
Especially COVID-19 stopping all the sports, and I want to get back to the regular things that I was doing, like basketball.
It's welcome news for 14-year-old NASIR, a 3-sport East Cleveland athlete at Apex Academy Charter School. NASIR and his mother, Denisha Mapp, hope the school will now lift its fall sports suspension.
It's been hard. You know, these kids, these young boys need something to be active in.
What people do away from the field is probably even more important than what people are doing on the field.
Dr. Susanna Briskin, Rainbow Hospital Associate Professor of Pediatric Sports Medicine, recommends student athletes wear masks during practice and while on the sidelines. Avoid sharing water bottles or food. Stay distanced during training breaks, and frequently clean hands and commonly touch sports equipment.
One of the most important things is to be honest. If you have any symptoms, either fever, cough, sore throat, fatigue, you just don't feel well, stay away from practice.
DeWine's order stipulates high school and college athletes who test positive for COVID-19 follow CDC quarantine guidelines, but it does not require COVID testing for contact sports prior to games. Guidelines Denisha and her son are confident will be enough to protect student athletes statewide.
Due to the different levels of the COVID-19, I feel like as long as they follow the CDC guidelines and keep certain distances and keep their hands clean as well as the environment around them, that they should be fine.
And Mike, the governor said that the district can still start fall sports even if it's conducting all of its classes remotely.
So, Joe, will student athletes and their families have to sign a waiver or liability form before they start practice or take the field?
Well, Mike, the governor said there are 2 liability bills before the state legislature. He's hoping one of those bills will work out those details and be on his desk and ready for his signature in the coming weeks.
All right, Joe PAGONAKIS live for us tonight. Thank you, sir.